Listen, you're not going to believe this because I didn't believe it. I can control my entire sprinkler system all around my house, all the zones, with my ImoLaza sprinkler controller. This thing is Wi-Fi controlled. It's next level. And it's the only sprinkler controller on Earth that I'm aware of that has smart fault detection. It's constantly checking your sensors and system for faults, and then it lets you know via email or via the app. This is a game changer. Again, I've never seen this in any other sprinkler controller. It's impressive. Take a look. The house I moved into had a dumb sprinkler controller. I won't mention the name of it, but it's been here 1,000 years, and it's costing me money. Setup is a breeze. You just label your old cables, and it works with various types of systems, even if you have sensors, flow sensors, rain sensors. I've never had a rain sensor that worked, have you? This actually will pull information off the internet and check the local weather forecast. I have the 6-zone model and the 4-zone model. So I have 6 zones on my yard, so I'm going to use that one. Everything you need is in here, step-by-step instructions, and there's also a QR code you can scan that will take you to the website. Here is the power brick, and there's even a like a little template too, so you can screw that right into the wall and screw right through it if you need to do that when you want to put it up on your wall. Here is your AC adapter, and that does need to be plugged in. It is not battery operated, and some mounting hardware. So here's my old one here. And of course, they want to sell you this Wi-Fi plug-in, but it's like 1,000 years old. And this will water my lawn on Tuesday at 5 a.m. regardless. Even if it's pouring down, there's 30 inches of rain outside, it doesn't care. So I'm not really a wizard at this stuff. So all I did was take a picture of the current wiring so the right zones were hooked up to the right place, just so I knew where they were. And then I hooked them right into this. So super easy to set up. Just unplug this guy before you start messing with your wiring. So just took these guys off, and then I put the little labels on them, and I knew exactly where to put them on my ImoLaza sprinkler controller. Once all my wiring was all screwed down, it's time to connect it to the app, and that was super easy as well with the ImoLaza app. So I've got all 6 of my zones here, and what's really cool, I'll show you this in a minute, you can customize each one of these to whatever you want, and it worked automatically. No fuss, no muss, it knew. It picked up zone 1 from zone 1 where it was before, and it shot them right up and began sprinkling with the same pressure and everything immediately. So there's a perfect replacement for my old school watering controller. And look at that, just turn it off, turn it on right there. Instantaneous from my phone, from anywhere in the world with a wireless connection. And then you could take a picture of these zones and then apply it so you know exactly where that zone is, or if somebody else is logging in or taking care of it while you're away for whatever reason, or somebody moves in your house, they could log in with this thing and then take over the controller, and they have a picture of the exact area that the zone is applied to. I mean, this couldn't be easier. And I love the fact that it is connected to the internet and it's able to pull your weather forecast. So you know whether you need to water or not, it's going to take care of that. If there's rain in the forecast, if it's overcast, it can all be adjusted automatically. If it's bright sunny, it's going to go according to your regular schedule. And look, setting this up here, it even asks you about your lawn type. So the smart interface in this controller knows exactly what to do. It's going to pull your current weather forecast based on your location and say, hey, it's going to rain. Maybe I shouldn't run it as long. Maybe I shouldn't run it at all. And to me, that is a smart system that I think the world's been waiting for. It's going to save you money. It's going to save you grief. It's going to save you time. This is
thanks to the ImoLaza Mini
Smart
the amount of flexibility
this thing is a win. Depending on where you are in the United States, I mean, conditions are different in Pennsylvania than they are in Florida or Texas or California. So you can set it and forget it, and it'll just take care of your lawn. You're going to have a big, beautiful green lawn before you know it.